The Galapagos Islands, a remote archipelago in the Pacific Ocean, known for its unique and diverse ecosystem. These islands have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries, offering a glimpse into the wonders of evolution and natural selection. A land of volcanic rock and turquoise waters, the dramatic landscapes are a testament to the island's fiery origins, shaped by volcanic activity over millions of years. The crystal-clear waters surrounding the islands are teeming with marine life, creating a vibrant underwater world, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. The Galapagos Islands are a living laboratory of evolution, where species have adapted in remarkable ways to survive in this isolated environment. From the giant tortoises to the marine iguanas, each species tells a story of adaptation and survival. Giant tortoises lumber across the terrain. These ancient reptiles, some of which can live over 100 years, are a symbol of the Galapagos. Their slow, deliberate movements and massive size make them a sight to behold. Marine iguanas bask in the sun. These unique lizards are the only seagoing iguanas in the world, diving into the ocean to feed on algae. Their ability to thrive in both land and sea environments is a remarkable example of adaptation, and high above, a small bird harbors a dark secret. Among the many fascinating creatures of the Galapagos, one stands out for its unusual and somewhat macabre behavior. This is the vampire finch, a creature with a taste for blood. Unlike its seed-eating relatives, the vampire finch has developed a unique feeding strategy that sets it apart. These birds are not creatures of myth or legend, they are real. The vampire finch uses its sharp beak to peck at the skin of larger birds, drinking their blood to supplement its diet, especially during the dry season when food is scarce. And their blood-drinking habit is one of nature's most fascinating adaptations. This behavior, while seemingly gruesome, is a survival strategy that has evolved over time, allowing the vampire finch to thrive in the harsh conditions of the Galapagos. Don't be fooled by their size. Despite their small stature, vampire finches are formidable survivors, demonstrating the incredible resilience and adaptability of life in the Galapagos. These small birds with their sharp beaks demonstrate the brutal reality of survival on these unforgiving islands. The Galapagos Islands continue to be a place of wonder and discovery, where the mysteries of nature unfold in the most unexpected ways. The Galapagos Islands are a land of stark contrasts. This archipelago, located in the Pacific Ocean, is renowned for its unique and diverse ecosystems. The islands are a living laboratory of evolution, where the forces of nature are on full display. From the lush, verdant highlands to the arid volcanic lowlands, the Galapagos Islands offer a dramatic range of environments that challenge and inspire the creatures that inhabit them. Lush green vegetation thrives during the rainy season. This period of abundance brings life to the islands, with plants and animals flourishing in the moist, fertile conditions. The rains transform the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of greens, providing ample food and shelter for the island's inhabitants. The rainy season is a time of plenty, where the ecosystem is in full bloom, and the air is filled with the sounds of life. Waterfalls cascade down volcanic slopes, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power and beauty. These waterfalls are not only a visual spectacle but also a vital source of fresh water for the island's wildlife. The flowing water carves through the rugged terrain, shaping the landscape and providing essential hydration to the flora and fauna that depend on it. But when the dry season arrives, the landscape transforms. The once lush and green environment becomes stark and barren. The rains cease, and the vegetation withers under the relentless sun. The transition from abundance to scarcity is swift and unforgiving, testing the resilience of the island's inhabitants. The land becomes parched and barren. The dry season brings with it a harsh reality where water is scarce and the earth cracks under the heat. The once thriving ecosystem now struggles to survive, with plants and animals facing the challenge of finding enough resources to sustain themselves. Food and water become scarce. The dry season is a time of hardship, where the lack of resources forces the island's inhabitants to adapt or perish. The struggle for survival becomes more intense, with competition for the limited food and water sources driving the behavior of the island's wildlife. It is during these harsh times that the vampire finch's unusual diet becomes crucial for survival. This small bird, native to the Galapagos Islands, has developed a unique adaptation to cope with the scarcity of food. When the usual sources of sustenance are depleted, the vampire finch turns to an extraordinary alternative. Their usual diet of seeds and insects dwindles. The dry season leaves the vampire finch with few options, as the once plentiful food sources become increasingly rare. The finch must rely on its ingenuity and adaptability to find nourishment in an environment that offers little in the way of sustenance. The vampire finch must find another way to survive. In the face of adversity, this remarkable bird has developed a behavior that sets it apart from other species. The finch's ability to adapt to the changing conditions of its environment is a testament to the resilience of life in the Galapagos Islands. And so they turn to a rather unusual source, the blood of other birds. This behavior, while shocking, is a survival strategy that allows the vampire finch to endure the harsh conditions of the dry season. By feeding on the blood of larger birds, the finch gains the nutrients it needs to survive when other food sources are unavailable. This behavior, while shocking, highlights the incredible adaptability of life in the face of adversity. The vampire finch's ability to thrive in such extreme conditions is a powerful example of nature's ingenuity. The Galapagos Islands, with their stark contrasts and challenging environments, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the creatures that call them home. The vampire finch's primary target is the Nazca booby, a large seabird. These boobies are known for their striking white plumage and distinctive black markings. They are often seen nesting on the rocky shores of the Galapagos Islands, where they raise their young in relative peace. However, their serene existence is disrupted by the arrival of the vampire finch. This small bird, with its sharp beak and relentless nature, has developed a unique feeding strategy that targets the Nazca booby. The finch's approach is both fascinating and unsettling, as it showcases the harsh realities of survival in the wild. These gentle giants are no match for the finch's boldness. Despite their size and strength, the boobies are often caught off guard by the finch's audacious tactics. The finches approach with a confidence that belies their small stature, pecking at the boobies with a determination that is both impressive and alarming. The boobies, with their calm demeanor, seem almost resigned to this intrusion, as if they have accepted the finches as an unavoidable part of their environment. They dwarf the finches in size. The contrast between the two species is stark, with the large, imposing figure of the Nazca booby standing in sharp contrast to the small, agile vampire finch. This size difference, however, does not deter the finches. On the contrary, it seems to embolden them as they navigate around the boobies with ease, exploiting their larger counterparts' vulnerabilities. But the finches are persistent, their hunger driving them to perform extraordinary feats. Their relentless pecking is a testament to their survival instincts, as they continue their efforts despite the boobies' attempts to shake them off. The finch's persistence is not just a display of tenacity, but a necessary adaptation in their harsh environment, where every meal is hard-earned. They have evolved a unique strategy to exploit this unlikely source of sustenance. By targeting the tail feathers of the Nazca booby, the finches have found a way to access the blood they need to survive. This behavior is a remarkable example of adaptation, showcasing the finches' ability to find innovative solutions to the challenges they face in their environment. The finches target the booby's tail feathers, pecking relentlessly until they draw blood. This method, while seemingly brutal, is a necessary survival tactic for the finches. The blood provides them with essential nutrients that are otherwise scarce in their habitat. The finch's ability to extract these nutrients from such an unlikely source is a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. The boobies, preoccupied with nesting and raising their young, often tolerate this harassment. Their focus on protecting and nurturing their chicks leaves them vulnerable to the finch's persistent attacks. Despite the discomfort and potential harm, the boobies rarely retaliate, perhaps understanding that their energy is better spent on ensuring the survival of their offspring. It is a testament to the finch's survival instincts, their ability to exploit an opportunity in the most unexpected of ways. This interaction between the vampire finch and the Nazca booby is a fascinating example of the complexities of nature, where survival often requires ingenuity and resilience. The finch's ability to thrive in such a challenging environment is a powerful reminder of the adaptability and resourcefulness that are essential for survival in the wild. The vampire finch's method of blood extraction is precise and efficient. They use their sharp beaks to create small wounds on the boobies' exposed skin. The blood, rich in nutrients and moisture, provides a vital lifeline during the dry season. The boobies, though seemingly untroubled, do lose a small amount of blood, but the finches rarely take enough to cause serious harm. This delicate balance, between predator and prey, is a testament to the intricate relationships that exist within this unique ecosystem. Astonishingly, a vampire finch can consume up to 2% of its body weight in blood during a single feeding. This is equivalent to a human drinking several liters of blood. This seemingly gruesome habit is not driven by malice, it is a matter of survival. Every drop of blood provides essential nutrients and hydration. This allows them to thrive in an environment where other species struggle. The vampire finch's ability to exploit this unusual food source is a testament to the power of natural selection. The vampire finch's blood-drinking adaptation is not merely a curiosity. It is a crucial survival strategy. This behavior provides them with a vital source of protein and fluids. This is especially important during the long dry season when other food sources are scarce. Their sharp beaks, perfectly adapted for drawing blood, are a testament to the power of natural selection. This adaptation allows the vampire finch to thrive in a harsh and unforgiving environment. It is a stark reminder that survival often requires unique and sometimes unsettling solutions. The vampire finch's bloodthirsty habits may seem gruesome, but it is important to remember that they play a vital role in the Galapagos ecosystem. They help to control booby populations. They also contribute to the delicate balance of this unique environment. Their impact extends beyond the individual birds they feed on. Their presence helps to maintain the overall health and stability of this remarkable ecosystem. The Galapagos Islands are a reminder of the interconnectedness of life. Every creature, from the smallest finch to the largest tortoise, plays a part. The vampire finch, despite its unusual diet, is no exception. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It is a balance that we must strive to understand and protect. The vampire finch, a seemingly monstrous creature, reminds us that nature is full of surprises. It challenges our perceptions of the natural world. It highlights the extraordinary lengths creatures will go to for survival. Their story is a testament to the power of evolution and the importance of conservation. It is a story that continues to unfold on the shores of these enchanted islands.